Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive. Today, we're exploring the word klutz, a word you may have heard but might not fully understand. Let's break it down in a simple and engaging way. What does klutz mean? The word klutz is a noun that describes a clumsy or awkward person. It refers to someone who often trips, drops things, or generally has trouble moving gracefully. Imagine someone who accidentally spills coffee, knocks over a chair, or stumbles while walking. That person might be described as a klutz. Klutz definition. A klutz is someone who lacks coordination and tends to be clumsy or accident-prone. It's not meant to be a harsh insult, rather, it's often used playfully to describe someone in a good-natured way. Klutz synonyms. Here are some words you can use instead of a klutz. Clumsy. Butterfingers. Oaf. Bumbler. Awkward. Lummox. How to use klutz in a sentence. I dropped my phone again. I'm such a klutz. He's a bit of a klutz, but we love him for it. Don't be a klutz, be careful with those glass dishes. The word klutz is a fun and casual way to describe someone who's a little clumsy. Now you know what it means, how to use it, and some great synonyms.